magic toy box. What's popping out today? Woo! In my room, there's a box so bright with stars that glow in morning light. It shakes and wiggles, wants to play. What will pop out of it today? Pop out came a bouncy ball, red and blue and round and small. It bounced once, then twice, then four. Rio laughed and asked for more. Buzz! A helicopter zooms so near with whirly blades that kids all cheer. It lifts up high and dips down low, flying round the room just so. Click! A robot with shiny